To send money with Zelle through Huntington Bank, start by ensuring you have the Huntington mobile app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, log in to your Huntington Bank account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Transfers and Payments section, where you will find the Zelle option. Select Zelle and then choose Send Money. You will be prompted to enroll in Zelle if you have not already done so. To enroll, you will need to accept the terms of service and provide your U.S. mobile number or email address. Once you have enrolled in Zelle, you can add recipients by entering their U.S. mobile number or email address. You can also add recipients from your phone's contact list after adding a recipient. Enter the amount you want to send and select the account you want to use to fund the transfer. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. You can also add a memo to the transaction if you want to include a note for the recipient. When you are ready, select Send to initiate the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification that the money is available, and the funds will typically be available to them within minutes. It is essential to only send money to people you trust, as transactions cannot be cancelled once they are initiated. Also, be aware that there may be limits on the amount you can send using Zelle, and these limits may vary depending on your account type and banking history. To receive money with Zelle through Huntington Bank, the process is straightforward. The sender will need to have your U.S. mobile number or email address enrolled in Zelle. Once they initiate the transfer, you will receive a notification that the money is available. The funds will typically be deposited into your account within minutes, and you can access them immediately. In conclusion, sending money with Zelle through Huntington Bank is a quick and convenient process. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and efficiently transfer funds to friends, family, and others using Zelle.